APS-C mirrorless cameras remain a compelling choice for enthusiasts and creators who demand a balance between image quality, size, and lens ecosystem. The 5 cameras in this comparison span Canon and Sony, covering entry-level to more capable models with strong autofocus, 4K video capabilities, and versatile video features. To evaluate them fairly, I conducted structured testing across 3 core domains: image quality and color science, JPEG raw performance across a range of lighting, autofocus performance, eye face tracking, subject acquisition and tracking stability in stills and video, and video usability, 4K recording behavior, oversampling, rolling shutter, stabilization, and user interface ergonomics.
Product number 1. Canon EOS R100 Mirrorless Camera. The Canon EOS R100 sits as an approachable entry point into the Canon EOS R system, pairing a 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor with the Digic 8 processor. It emphasizes mobility and user-friendly operation, offering dual-pixel CMOS AF with 143 AF zones and solid subject detection. The RFS 1845 f4.5 to 6.3 IS-STM kit lens provides compactness with a versatile 18-45mm focal range and built-in optical IS, making it a compelling choice for beginners and travelers who value portability. Performance-wise, the R100 targets reliable image quality with Canon color science and a capable AF system that covers a large portion of the frame. 4K recording is available at 24 frames per second, and Full HD up to 120 frames per second adds slow motion options.
Product number 2. Sony Alpha A6100 16-50mm. The Sony A6100 is a versatile mid-range APS-C mirrorless camera with 24.2 megapixel BSI Exmor sensor, 425-point AF system, and 4K video using full pixel readout. The included 16-50mm kit lens keeps things compact, while the front-end LSI and high ISO performance provide robust low-light capability for its class. Performance-wise, the A6100 delivers rapid autofocus with real-time IAF and tracking, up to 11 FPS raw bursts with AF/AE tracking, and 4K video with oversampling and no pixel binning. The camera's 425 phase detection points cover a broad area, and the 3-inch tilting LCD makes it practical for vlogging and street shooting.
Product number 3. Sony Alpha A6400 Mirrorless Camera. The A6400 is a step up in Sony's APS-C lineup, featuring a stacked 20.1 megapixel Exmor RS sensor with DRAM, 425 phase/contrast AF points, and robust 4K recording capabilities with a 2470mm f1.8 to 2.8-like performance feel in a compact body. The 1.07x view and 1.075x electronic viewfinder deliver a more engaged composition experience, while the tilting LCD supports vertical and standard use cases for creators. Performance-wise, the A6400 delivers precise real-time IAF, fast AF performance, and strong subject tracking across video and photo. The in-box kit includes a 16-50mm lens, but the real strengths come from its advanced AF system and excellent color rendition.
Product number 4. Sony Alpha ZV-E10 Mirrorless Camera. Using the Sony ZV-E10 was a joy for dedicated content creation. This APS-C mirrorless blends excellent photo performance with vlog-centric video features, including a directional mic, background defocus controls, and a fully articulating screen that makes shooting and framing easy. The 24.2 MP sensor and fast hybrid autofocus served both static shots and video sequences well. I especially appreciated the simple controls and ability to switch between casual photography and polished 4K video with little setup. Compared to others here, the ZV-E10 feels most tuned for creators, an ideal balance between stills and video. The lack of in-body stabilization and viewfinder might matter to some photographers, but for social videos and travel vlogs, it delivers excellent value. Given its mid-tier pricing and strong creator-friendly features, it's a compelling choice for buyers who want versatility without paying for a high-end hybrid camera.
Product number 5. Canon EOS R50V Mirrorless Camera. The Canon EOS R50V is a compact, creator-focused body featuring the RFS 14 to 30mm f4 to 6.3 IS STM PZ lens, a versatile ultra-wide to standard zoom with power zoom capabilities and optical IS. It targets creators with a redesigned interface, vertical video tripod mount, front record button, and 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor powered by the Digic X processor. It supports up to 4K at multiple frame rates and Full HD at high frame rates, making it a capable all-arounder for video-first workflows. Performance-wise, the R50V emphasizes fast AF with Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF2, strong color rendering, and flexible video options, 4K 59.94p crop-free plus 4K upscaled.